Hi guys, welcome to my channel Krrish&Abhi. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a fortune tower. So, all you need is a paper and a scissors. First step is that we have to fold the paper so we can make a square. So we have to fold it like this. And then we have to cut the bottom and then you should have a piece of paper like this and then unfold it and then fold it with the line. So you want to make an X. And then once you're done making the X, you want to do a burger or hot dog fold, and you can do however you want. And then once you do one, then do one more, but this time the other way. So then once you're all done with those steps, you should have a paper like this. Next, you need to take these corners and then take them all the way to the middle. And then you have to do it on all four sides. And then once you're done, you should have a paper like this. And then you flip it over and do the same thing. And then once you're done with that part, you will have these thingies. So then you have to fold it like this, and then you have to pinch inside these pockets. Sometimes it doesn't work, then you have to fold it the other way, and then you have to pinch, and you've got your fortune tower like this. Sometimes it's kind of hard, and then you've got your fortune tower. Hope you enjoyed making your fortune tower. See you next time on Krrish&Abhi. Bye!